Shopping for a 36-inch induction range? You'll spend anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000, and the wrong choice can leave you with a cramped oven or missing features you'll actually need. So here are the 7 best 36 induction ranges for 2026, from budget-friendly to the most advanced. Let's start with the simplest option and build up. First up is Bosch, the most economical name brand in the 36-inch induction range at about $5,500. You get the sleek minimalist Bosch design, solid knobs, and a trusted name. In theory, the trade-off, the oven is only 3.7 cubic feet, smaller than many 30-inch ovens, so big roasts or multiple trays will be a squeeze. And while it carries the Bosch badge, this model is actually built by Smeg of Italy. It looks good and works fine for everyday meals or lighter cooking like pasta or sheet pan dinners, but it doesn't have the power oven space you'll see in the others on this list. Next up is Paykel, built for power and flexibility. The center burner hits 5,500 watts, once the hottest in the industry. Perfect for a lobster pot or boiling water fast. Both sides can bridge in the griddle zones, so you could put pancakes while pasta boils in the middle. Inside, 2 convection fans circulate heat more evenly, so everything bakes and roasts more consistently than in single-fan ovens like Bosch or Thermador. And unlike most ranges, Paykel includes a full-width warming drawer, great for keeping food hot without drying it out. The trade-offs is the oven is only 4.9 cubic feet, still smaller than some 30-inch ovens, and the higher-priced Pro model actually loses the warming drawer. Thermador does something totally different with induction. Their Liberty cooktop lets you slide a pan from back to front, and the burner changes automatically. If you boil pasta in the back, slide it forward to simmer, then move it up front to keep warm. No buttons, just pan movement. They call it heat shift, and works across 3 preset modes. Move mode even remembers your settings when you lift and place the pan somewhere else. The trade-offs, the oven's only 4.9 cubic feet with a single convection fan. It doesn't have the guided cooking you'll get in a Wolf, SKS, or Miele. And the price is premium. But if you're juggling multiple pans every night and want a surface that adapts to you, Thermador is worth a look. By the way, you can see any of these ranges in person, any of our 6 showrooms we install and service. Every range we sell, and in most cases can deliver within 24 hours. Now let's get back to the next range on the list. Cornue is all about design first, cooking second. You don't buy it for specs, you buy it because you've seen one and thought, that's the range and look I want in my kitchen. With over 60 colors and trims, from stainless to custom shades that match your cabinets or even your car, Cornue is a true statement piece. The hardware feels like jewelry, and it transforms the look of the kitchen. The trade-offs, cooking power is average, a 3,700 watt center burner, and a 3.8 cubic foot oven, smaller than every other brand except for Bosch on this list. The price starts at around $12,000 plus freight from Europe. Now for something different. Miele finally has a 36-inch range. It even has a larger oven at 5.76 cubic feet, biggest on this list so far. You also get 2 of their signature features in a bigger size, the M-Touch controls and Steam Assist. M-Touch gives you guided programs that set time and temperature automatically. Just pick what you're cooking, how you want it done, and the oven figures out the rest. The Steam Assist adds moisture electric ovens lack. Bread comes out with a crisp crust, roast stay juicy, and you could program up to 3 steam bursts during a cycle. The trade-offs, it's premium price, and you don't get the design flexibility of brands like Cornue. Wolf completely reworked their induction line for 2026, including this new 36-inch model. On the cooktop, you get steady power with 5 zones and the option to bridge zones for oversized pans or a griddle. It's one of the hottest on this list at 5,500 center burner. Where Wolf shines is in the oven. At 6.3 cubic feet, it's the largest in this group, powered by Wolf's twin convection fans and heating elements that circulate air top to bottom and side to side, so every rack cooks evenly. Wolf Gourmet adds guided cooking. You pick the food and doneness. The oven sets the time, temperature, and even rack position. The trade-offs is no steam option, and the price is premium at well over $12,000. SKS combines the best features from other brands and pushes them further. On the cooktop, you get the industry's most powerful induction burner, 7,000 watts in the center. For context, a standard 3,700 watt burner is already faster than the hottest 25,000 BTU Pro gas burner. So at 7,000 watts, a lobster pot boils in no time. Inside, SKS blends Wolf's guided cooking with Miele's combi steam. It sets time, temperature, and rack position for you, like Wolf, while steam keeps bread crisp and roast juicy. And unlike Miele, it uses a simple refillable reservoir, so there's no plumbing required. SKS even solves a classic induction headache, pan compatibility. Set your pan down, and it tells you if it's induction ready, even showing the percentage of magnetic metal on the base. The trade-offs? The steam mode's aren't as advanced as Miele's, and you do need to refill the reservoir. SKS is single convection versus the twin convection of the Miele and Wolf induction ranges. So those are the 7 best 36-inch induction ranges for 2026, from budget-friendly to the most advanced. If you're in the Boston area, you can see all of them in our 6 showrooms. In most cases, we can deliver within 24 hours. We don't just deliver, we install, service them, and support. If you're also considering a 30-inch model, click here for our video on the best 30-inch ranges, and thank you for watching.